Alright, back on this Jeep again. Got the valve cover off. Some people call it a valve cover. Old people call it a rocker arm cover. Rockers. Anyway, it's off. Had a leak up here. Predominantly over here on the left side of the engine. And did find a couple. I found one loose bolt, two not tight bolts. But over here, this is the old gasket. That's factory. This is why I like Felpro gaskets. You can see it a lot better on this one. You got these metal grommets where every bolt goes, and you cannot go past that metal grommet when you tighten up your bolts. So it's hard to over torque these gaskets. You just tighten it down to about 12 foot-pounds on the little bolts, and life is very, very good. That's why I love these Felpro gaskets. A little more expensive, but pretty much trouble-free. Alright, cleaned it up a little bit, not a whole lot. Not going to paint it or nothing. Did have to drain some coolant because the upper radiator hose going to the thermostat housing was in the way to get the valve cover off. And then, so I had to pull the upper connection going to the thermostat housing. Had to pull the lower hose to drain the radiator. So I got the hoses halfway unhooked. So I was put on new ones. It's got a new water pump. I don't know why they didn't put on new hoses. Doesn't make any sense to me, but that's just me. Anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.